It's read now, Book 2 for Grade 2. Chapter number 9 Only Pretending Back Exercise. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I'm also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome back in our English class. As today is Tuesday, 20th April 2021, it is our English period, so get ready for our English study. Take out your read now book. Today we are going to do the back exercise of chapter Only Pretending. As yesterday we have done the reading and explanation of this chapter, so today we are going to complete our back exercise of this chapter. Hurry up students, take out your read now book, take your pencils, sharp pencils in your hand, so get ready. Our today's topic is back exercise chapter Only Pretending. Exercise number 1, on your book page, fill in the blank using the correct options. Students, here is a statement part A. A lamb has a coat of dash. As you can see, here is the lamb. You can feel the coat of a lamb made by a fur, wool, W-O-O-L, wool. A lamb has a coat of wool. You will write here, this option you will write in this blank, wool. Now part B, a parrot has a coat of dash. A parrot has a coat of feathers. You will write here feathers. The spelling of feathers is F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. This is the correct option for this bird, feathers. Part C, a fox has a coat of fur. As you can see and feel, here is a soft fur on the fox body, so a fox has a coat of fur, F-U-R, fur. Part C, you will write fur. Part D, a tortoise has a coat of dash. As you can see, this is the tortoise and he has a coat of shell. Shell is the hard body of an animal, so we will write here shell, S-H-E-L-L, shell. Part E, a crab has a coat of dash. I think so here is the meaning of crab is wrong. C-R-A-P is crab. A crab has a coat of dash. So coat of scales. The upper layer of the water animal like fish has a scales on its bodies. So these surface is called the scales. So you will write here S-C-A-L-E-S, scales. You can check the spelling of this word in your book. Part F. Part F is, here is an animal. Its name is porcupine. His name is porcupine. So a porcupine has a coat of dash. You can see here are different appearance on this animal's body. These parts are called the spines. Spines mean an object, an edge, an object, an area with the edge. So as you can see in this picture, here are so many spines on this animal, so we will write here spines. A porcupine has a coat of spines, S-P-I-N-E-S, spines. Part G, a camel has a coat of dash. A camel has a coat of hairs. As this animal has the hairs on its body, so we will write H-A-I-R-S, hairs. Last statement is an elephant. Here it will be an, by mistake it will be written a, so you will correct. You can see in your book, this is the word an. An elephant has a coat of dash. An animal has a coat of thick skin. The skin of this animal is very thick, so we will write the option thick skin. Is it clear, students? I will also share the images of this exercise. Don't you worry, just listen and understand the slides by the pictures. Okay student, exercise 1 is clear. Now come to the exercise 2, write correctly. Write correctly mean we will write in the alphabetically order. Sorry, the first letter of this sentence and the noun will be the capital. We will read this statement. We will change the first letter, and if we have any name in this sentence, we will change into capital form. So the sentence is, we met David and Nancy on Tuesday. As you can see, v is the w of the v is small, so this v will change into capital letter. And David, it is the name, always the first letter of the name will be small capital, so D will be changed into capital D. And Nancy, the N of the Nancy is also small, it will be changed into capital letter. And the Tuesday, it is the name of a day, so it will be also capital. So we will change these letters into capital letters. As you can see here, I have written W is capital, David D is capital, Nancy N is capital, and Tuesday T is capital. So it is correct, we met David and Nancy on Tuesday. Second statement is last Saturday was the first day of October. So the first letter of the sentence is always capital, L is small, so it will be changed into capital letter. Saturday is the name of a day, so always we will write the first letter of the day, name of the day is capital, so S will be changed. And the October is the month of a year, so O will be changed into capital letter. So now let's see the correct sentence. Last Saturday was the first day of October. L is capital, S is capital, and the October O is capital. Exercise 2 is completed. Now come to the exercise number 2, part B, use of A or N. Students, as you know, you have learned about this concept from your preschool level. A is the friend of consonant and N is the friend of vowel. So recall your vowels and consonant. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and N is the friend of vowel, and rest of the letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are the consonants. So A is the friend of consonant. So here are the sentence with the blank. You will put the A or N before the word you have seen on this slide. The hunter had dash bow. Bow. B is the vowel or consonant. Firstly, you will check the first letter. If it is the consonant, so you will write A, and if it is vowel, so you will write N. So B is the consonant, so you will write A is here. The hunter had a bow and had dash arrow. Arrow, A is the vowel, so N is the friend of vowel. So let's see the correct options. Answer is the hunter had a bow, A will be here, and had dash arrow, N will be here. Same same method, same line. She wore dash cap and dash apron. So cap, C is consonant, you will write here A. Apron, A is the vowel, you will write here N. A cap and apron. Statement number 3. The man heard dash arm. Arm, A is the consonant, so you will write N is here. And dash leg, A leg, L is the consonant, so A will be stand with the consonant because A is the friend of consonant. So the sentence is the man hurt an arm and a leg. Once again I am going to read. The hunter had a bow and had an arrow. She wore a cap and an apron. The man hurt an arm and a leg. Okay students, is it clear? Concept of A or N, use of A or N. Now let's see the exercise C. Give the word for more than one. It is the topic of singular plural. Let's revise the concept of singular plural. Singular mean one thing and the plural mean more than one thing. So here are some words. We will make the plurals of these words. First word is chair. So if we have only one chair, it will be called chair, and if we have more than one chair, so it will be called chair. Chair, chairs. Next word is box and boxes. Box and boxes. The singular is box and the plural is boxes. As you can see, it is only one box, and if we have more than one box, so it will be called boxes. One box, boxes. Next one is loaf. Loaf, loaves. You have to see F will be changed into V, and we will add ES after the end of that words which are ending on F. Loaf, loaves. Next word is story, stories. We will left out the Y and we will add IES instead of Y. Story, stories. For making the plural, we will left out the Y and add the IES after the story. Story, stories. Donkey, donkeys. Foot, feet. If we use our one foot, so it will be called foot, and when it will be two or more than two, so it will be called feet. Foot, feet. Exercise number 3 is we often see the two together. It is very interesting exercise. Some of the objects in our life always seen together, two together, like cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. As you can see, this is the cup and this is the saucer. These are the both elements, both objects which are always two together. So cup and saucer. Knife and fork. We always use knife and fork for our dinner, for our lunch, for our breakfast. So fork, knife and fork are always friends. So we will write here F-O-R-K, fork. Next is bread and butter. These are also the friends, bread and butter. It is very interesting exercise, students. You will write in these blanks butter, bread and butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. I have explained all the exercises with the pictures. It is very helpful, very fruitful for you. Your concept should be more clear. Otherwise, if you have feel any problem, any difficulty, you can ask any question from me. Okay, students? Next is desk and chair. Desk and chair. Desk and chair are always together. Okay, students? So you will write in these blanks chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Next one is pepper and salt. Pepper and salt. S-A-L-T, salt. This is the pepper. This is the salt. Pepper and salt. Now, very beautiful. Students, do you like these pictures? Sugar and milk. This is the sugar and this is the milk. They are all also friends. Sugar and milk. They are always living together. Sugar and milk. M-I-L-K, milk. In these blanks, you will write milk. And exercise number 4, circle the odd one out. We have four words, family words, 4 family words. We will circle that words which is odd one. Brother, sister, father, friend. So the friend is odd one out. So odd word, so it will be out. Friend is the odd word in this family group. Brother, sister, fathers are family and friends are friends. So we will add this word friend. Now next words are rabbit, opossum, octopus, squirrel. So rabbit, opossum and squirrel are all the animals, but the octopus is the water animal, so it will be odd. Octopus is the odd word. You will circle it. Okay, students, you will circle the octopus. It is the odd one. Next is wood, river, forest, jungle. So wood, forest and jungle are the same family words, but the river is the odd because this is the watery area, but the wood, forest and jungle are the dry areas, so river is the odd one. Next is, as you can see, this is the river. And now let's see arm, leg, neck and watch. So read carefully. Arm, leg and neck are the parts of body, but the watch is not the part of body, so that's why it is odd. We will circle the word watch. Is it clear, students? Next words are chair, bed, table and window. So chair is also for sitting, bed is also for sitting and sleeping, table is also for eating, writing and more things, but the window is the part of a room, so a window is an odd word. Our class assignment today which we have done, that is back exercise of chapter Only Pretending. It is a little long exercise. Exercise number fill in the blanks. Exercise 2 part A, B and C which we have done. Exercise 3 we often see two together, and exercise 4 circle the odd one out, and dictation line number 17. Did you learn dictation line number 17, students? Revise with me. Maintain your page for dictation. You will write Tuesday 20th April 2021. Topic is dictation line number 17. Number 1 word is blow, B-L-O-W, blow. Number 2 tucked, T-U-C-K-E-D, tucked. Number 3 rattling, R-A-T-T-L-I-N-G, rattling. Number 4, cuddled. Cuddled, cuddled. Number 5 is tight. Tight, tight. Revise your dictation words and do the test on your English literature notebook without cheating. Do your work honestly. It is our class assignments. Now let's towards our home assignment. Let's check. You will open your as you have opened your books of read now, you will write CW 20-4-21 short date exercise 1 we have done on our book. You will follow this exercise number 2 part A, B and C we have done. You will do this work on your book. Exercise number 3 we have almost done. In our slide you will do this work on your book. You can follow this slide. And the last one is exercise number 4, circle the odd one out. Okay students, I hope it will be very helpful for you. You will learn this back exercise from chapter Only Pretending, and you will learn dictation line number 18. It is your today's task and it is your home assignment. Inshallah tomorrow we will be here at the same time, at the same place, inshallah. Fi amanillah. Take care. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz students.